Bhavana abhava matrena. All the things that we have created around ourselves. I am Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, I am man, I am woman, I am husband, I am wife, I am spiritual, I am not spiritual, I want to become sannyasi, I want to do meditation. All these sankalpas, they are like a cocoon keeping us inside. See, Jivasya sahaja api esha nashyati eva na samshaya. So when this is the sadhana given, bhavana abhava matrena, don't go on bringing the past in the present and projecting your future. See? So about this, our Mahamantra, remember, not talking about the past is consciously worked out. One aspect. Now, second aspect is, what are our plans? Don't talk to anybody. Before talking to anybody on any issue, ask a question. Is it necessary to talk to yourself, you ask. Otherwise, you will see. If a person is telling, oh, they say it is going to be heavy rains for next 3 days. So you have heard it enough. No, not 3 days. I think it is 2.5 days. No. It is 2 days and 25 minutes. And keep on getting lost in there. No need. Bhavana, abhava matrena. So neither bring the past in the present, nor tell your future what you are going to do. I am going to go to Himalayas. Nobody asks you. See? Bhavana bhava matrena sankalpakshiyate swayam tandulasya yata charma nashyati kriyaya yuta jivasya sahaja api esha sankalpa nashyati eva na samshaya. This sankalpa also dies away when we are not giving any irrigation to those sankalpa. Now Vasishtha ji is now coming to the picture. दाशुराख्या यही कैशा दाशुराख्या यही कैशा ते कथिता चिंत्यताम त्वया. Bhagwan Ram is told that Dashurakya, this Akhyayika, the story of Dashura, Esha, te kathita, was told to you. Now Chintatam Tvaya. Now reflect on this. What training? Every day satsang. Every day working on the mind. Every day hammering that the body cannot be you. Don't talk about your past. There is no need for the world to know what are you going to do in the future. There is no need. Constantly be aware how the thoughts are born, how the desires are created, how the desires breed thoughts, how the thoughts are not a problem. It is the momentum created by the thoughts because of a continuity of thought process that carries us away. Therefore, let there be no thought momentum be developed in the mind. And to stop that development of the thought momentum, we have to arrest, keep a speed breaker. And for that speed breaker, we chant the Lord's name. So that there is no carried away with the thought. This is what is spiritual practice. We are not telling you don't do anything else. But this is really, we are reading Yoga Vasishtha, not any ordinary text. Here it is coming straight away to the point.